Diytaj Murder Medics. I've got a Skoda Fabia here on a 2008 plate. I'm going to change the position lamp on this, which is this one here. As you can see, that one's working, but this one isn't. I'm going to show you how it's done, but before I do that, I'm going to show you what bulb it is as well. It is a 501 bulb. That's what you need. You can find that in the description, the link for it, where you can buy it and everything as well. Let me show you how it's done now. If you come forward, that's what I'm going to do. Push the lights off. So what you've got to do is now, first of all, undo this here. That's for the indicator bulb. So if you did want to replace the indicator bulb, it is quite an easy bulb to replace. Remove that cover on the back. Once you remove the cover, on the inside you'll see a plug. It's a bit tight. You see the white wire, the red wires, the red and brown wires, right? So what you might need to do is, if you obviously can't get your fingers in there, so you're gonna have to pull it from the wire itself, but do it gently, wiggle, and then at the same time you're pulling it. Here we go, that's out. So that's the bulb you need to replace. So it's a 501 bulb. I've got the 501 bulb already here. And then slot the bulb in. Once you slot the bulb in and then put it through the hole again, I'm going to have to see the hole from the front, because I really can't see it from the back. So here we go, you heard a click. I then put the cover on. Once I put the cover on, I put the indicator bulb holder back in. So there's only one way they would go as well. Here we go, that's all in. So what I now do is switch the light on, making sure the lights are working. That's it, both of them are working, as you can see. If there is anything else you need to know, you can check out the playlist for Skoda. We do have a playlist for Skoda as well, and we do have a playlist for bulbs and everything else, like pressure resets. Do check them out, and if there is anything you need to know in particular, leave us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.